In this video, I will try to upload symbols file to Google Play Publisher console. Inside build.gradle, the app 1, I'll add this code snippet, debug symbol level full, inside default config, which is inside Android. Inside default config, I will paste this code snippet. I'll rewrite it to be toml instead of YAML. Then Ctrl S to save, then sync now to synchronize the Gradle files. The project synced successfully. Let's build signed app bundle like this. A release one, which I will upload to Google Play Publisher console. Create a new release. Wait for the Android app bundle to get built. Click on locate. Here is the AAB file, which is the Android app bundle. Let's upload it to the console via drag and drop like this. Wait until the file is uploaded successfully. I will fill in all other information below, waiting for the app release Android app bundle to be uploaded. Now the Android app bundle is optimized for distribution. Let's go inside the project to get the merged native libs or libraries via this command. Let's use this command to compress all the native libraries symbols into a compressed file called symbols.zip. The period in the command means all the current working directories and files. Then let's upload symbols.zip into Google Play console. Use open dot or xdg-open period or dot to open the file manager in the current directory. Click on the three-dotted menu. Then upload native debug symbols. Drag and drop symbols.zip to be uploaded. Wait for the upload to be completed. Let's check if it is uploaded successfully or not. Yes. Seeing delete means it is uploaded. Let's go to the next step. All good. Click save. Go to overview. Wait for the checks for common found issues to be completed. Be patient. Send one change for review. Click on the button. Send the changes for review. Wait for the recheck. Be patient. That's it. Everything is good. Now wait for Google Play Publisher team to approve your app update. Thanks for watching.